Hi everyone, today this will be another easy cooking. Today the dish that I'm going to show you is how to cook the Taiwanese pork noodle. Usually the Taiwanese will cook the beef noodle, but this time I'm going to change it to the pork noodle. First you will need some pork thigh or pork belly. Then the spring onion, you need the stem and also the leaf. And this will be the pickled radish. If you have the pickled veggie, you can use it as well. Next, onion, garlic and also ginger. Moving on, you need bean paste and chili sauce, then tomato slices and also 2 chili. Next, you need a cup of saucing wine, light soy sauce and dark soy sauce, each 2 tablespoons. For the condiment, you need bay leaves, star anise and also rock sugar. Some salt and pepper as well, and a touch of lemon juice. For the noodle, I'm using soybean noodle. You can replace it with the egg noodle as well. Lastly, not to forget some ice water. To start cooking, we put some water to the pan. Follow up with some spring onion stem, ginger slices and also some star anise. Put the meat into the pan and let it boil for 5 minutes. Put the meat into the ice water for 2 minutes. After that, cut the meat into slices. Next, heat up the pan again with some oil and then put in garlic, with ginger slices and also some spring onion stem. Next, add in back the onion and then some rock sugar and as well as the star anise. Saute this ingredient for another 2 minutes and add the slices of pork in. Add in the water and make sure it covers up all the pork slices. Next, add in the saucing wine and also the soy sauce, the bean paste and also the chili sauce. After that, add in the chili. Stir and cook for 2 minutes and then move all the ingredients to pressure cooker. Put in tomato slices and then bay leaves, salt and pepper as well. Let the pressure cooker cook for 30 minutes. Some lemon juice to radish. While preparing, it's time to cook the noodle. Once the noodle done, boil the veggie. This is how it looks like after 30 minutes. Alright people, this is my version of Taiwanese pork noodle. This is umami, you got all the flavor in there. You got the spiciness, you got sourish, you got saltiness and also sweetness, all in one. And the meat is so nice. You can try this at home.